Did you know the US government once watched its own embassy workers get microwaved and said nothing? Starting in the early 1950s, the Soviet Union aimed microwave radiation directly at the American embassy in Moscow, every day, for years. When the CIA found out, they didn't warn the staff. They classified it. They called it Project Pandora, and they quietly tracked what the radiation was doing to the people inside. Multiple ambassadors developed cancer. Internal investigators were alarmed. The workers had no idea they were test subjects. One enemy was beaming radiation through the walls. Another was taking notes.